In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini with Gmail. We'll start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Gemini. In the results, pick the official Gemini website. If you're unsure, look for the secure padlock and the trusted domain so you know you're in the right place and not on an imitation page. Once you're on the site, create your account or sign in. Use the Google account that's linked to the Gmail inbox you want Gemini to work with, because your prompts will draw from that mailbox. Inside Gemini, head to Settings. From there, open Connected Apps. This is where integrations live, and it's the place you'll manage what Gemini can see and do on your behalf. Find the Google Workspace toggle and switch it on. Then click Connect to grant permission for AI on Google Search to access your Drive, Docs, and Gmail. You'll see a confirmation screen that lists exactly what's being requested. Take a moment to read it. Make sure you're using the correct Google account and then approve. You can revoke access anytime later from these same settings. After the connection is active, try a few helpful prompts in the Gemini box to see it in action. For example, type, "Find the email from my Amazon account." Gemini will scan your Gmail and surface the most relevant message. Next, try, "Summarize my recent emails from Shopify billing." This is great for catching up fast. You'll get a concise overview that highlights the key points without opening each thread. Finally, test an action-style request such as, "When is my due on Segmetrics?" Even with a short prompt, Gemini looks through your inbox for dates and billing details and returns the answer with references, so you can verify the source. If results feel too broad, include a time frame like "from last week," or add a sender name to narrow things down. And remember, Gemini only works with the account you connected, so switch accounts if you don't see what you expect. That's it. You've connected Gemini with Gmail and run your first searches and summaries. Keep practicing with clear, specific prompts, and you'll save time managing your email.